Okay. All right. I think we can do the video.
Okay. So, Spice Diana has been one of our clients for quite a while now, and we truly appreciate her and we support her. And of course, she's the star girl, definitely.
That I am.
And yes, we decided to buy a table for her to support her hustle, and also the fact that she has been supporting her hustle here at Illusion Spa. So thank you so much, Spice, and we look forward to coming to your concert. And then also on top of that, because we want you to look like the star you are, we have decided to give you like a free facial for you to glow.
And massage.
Yeah, and also the massage, yes, definitely.
Thank you.
For you to glow before your concert, and then also during the concert.
Thank you very much.
So anytime you're welcome to
Do
come
my
for that
fans
facial.
stand a chance one of these days?
Oh
to
yes,
win an offer
the whole
like
of
that?
this December we're giving a 10% off, and also some other percentages of the different treatments that we have here at Illusion Spa. For all your fans who are going to come, so that she's not the only person glowing.
So where are we located?
We are at Kanyata Street, just opposite Surgeon Plaza. If you know where Aleph Restaurant is, yes, so just around there.
Okay. So guys, just heard it from her. They just Gamba. Thank you so much, Illusion Spa, for supporting me 10th Jan. Banank, I don't know what to say. I'm grateful. You know, getting massage and you know, facial treatment, and then on top of that you have a table. Thank you so much. And all my fans, Miraka massage and facial like me, if you wanna look good, just pass by Kalicha Street or Jakuwala Illusion Spa. Come and support them. They have the best. I mean, this place is really beautiful. Wayonjo. I've been there for a few minutes. Never more, you know, because you know the hustle is still going on. But I'm always here. I can come back anytime. I can assure you the best services. So I'm going to now. You never find it anywhere else. So when now Abandaba, just pass by and get yourself very good, you know, massage. See, massage is and massage very professional. So thank you very much once again, Illusion Spa, for your support. See you 10th January at Serena. You have something to say, Mama?
Just to say that it's December, it's a time to look good, it's a festive season. Please come to Illusion Spa and enjoy the beautiful and amazing treatments. And also, see you on the 10th of January.
Thank you very much. Okay, guys, I think that was it.
Yes, Pinaka's massages.
Abali singa okusikamu.
Bokubiyewo nnyo Spice.
Abali singa.
Spice, okusinziira ku olabye ku nzegi, kaliwo akogamba kapaketi basinga okunyumira.
Waliwo ka bridal.
Bridal. Kwani nedda.
Ate ngokaganya.
Ako tulindemu aka bridal.
Agala kagwenga kwe kaliwo akasinza okunyumira. Kapaketi.
Kana kakapozi kanyime naye ma. Bintu si birungi.
Yasaba mwaka mpya.
Katulindemu tulabe. Naye ka scrub kankola bubi. Nako obukooko waako. Yeah. Akalungi nnyo ka hot stone massage. Naye okusinga njagala ne ka facial. Yes, kakulu.
Because our facials are not your ordinary facials. You're just going to forget. They are professional facials. Facials. Yes, it depends on what we are treating. So when it comes to skin, or what we are treating. So come with no problem, or and then we treat the problem, depending. So yes, and we also have like skincare products, professional skincare products. So personally, I'm an esthetician, really just in Tifola Spa. I'm an esthetician and a skincare coach. So I take you through, I hold your hand until you get a clearer skin. That's for your goal, yeah. So kati wajja once we take you through our consultation so kati oba oyingidde wano ebizibu by'obireka bweru you get ebizibu biddako ffe kati byolese biddako ffe then netukwata bukola and we shall tell you every month tujja kujukiza jangu komawo kola facial if it needs to be after 2 months era tujja kuremanya
nakasente sikabi wala asa
Yes.
Bakibadde twagala kuleeta mponi namungi w'omuntu mulinayo ekitanda ekinene kwasobola okujja
Kitanda kya myuma ebimbe bagumu. Kitanda
mujja bigatta muteekeko
kya byuma. I think that's it. Ate bei nungi by the from 50,000 twali tano mwenda kumi bei nungi ate kifo nze mbadde namanyi mitwalo ana mwalinyisiza akabeeyi but this is so
emitwalo etaano nate tuliko discount bagambe kuliko 10% discount
so much mulimu gwendimu olina okwefaako kowa nnyo nkola nnyo so it's okay, it's part of me. Newaka kusheba so kugenda kolera ke wakao. Sinanga ke waka kankolera.
Ana mwe. Sumo seke. Ayi bisho tusawita kutawfiki.
Yeah.
Some pictures, right?
Spice ifana ebiwedde kati ne tusembera wano ne tukolerawo. Tusembera.
For the media.
mulindeko mami ayitewo wano